In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get discount on Airbnb in 2026 step by step. First, open Airbnb and sign in to your account. Starting from your account makes the process smoother, especially when you're ready to save a listing, contact a host, or complete your booking. Once you're logged in, enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests, then tap search to see available places. After the results load, take some time to compare multiple listings instead of choosing the first one you see. This is important because the best deal is not always the lowest nightly rate. Some listings may look cheaper at first, but extra fees can make them more expensive overall. Comparing several options helps you spot the best value for your budget. As you browse, look closely for listings with discount badges. These can include weekly discounts, monthly discounts, early bird savings, or last-minute offers. These badges are one of the easiest ways to quickly identify properties where the host is already offering a reduced price. Next, use the price filter to set your budget and narrow down your search. This makes it easier to focus only on listings that fit what you want to spend instead of wasting time on places that are out of range. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to find affordable options faster. Once you find a listing that looks promising, check the listing description carefully. Hosts often mention discounts for longer stays in the details, even if the savings are not the first thing you notice. Reading the description fully can help you catch opportunities you might otherwise miss. You can also message the host politely before booking to ask whether they're willing to offer a discount. This works especially well if you're planning an extended stay or if your travel dates are flexible. Keep your message friendly and respectful, since a polite request is more likely to get a positive response. If you have flexibility, try adjusting your travel dates. Weekday stays and off-season trips are often less expensive than weekends or peak travel periods. Even shifting your stay by a day or two can sometimes lower the price. Before you confirm anything, review the total price carefully. Make sure you check cleaning fees, taxes, and service fees, not just the nightly rate. This gives you a clear picture of what you'll actually pay. Once you've found the best available deal, go ahead and book the listing. That's how to get a discount on Airbnb while making sure you still choose the right place for your trip.